Hi guys, do subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss any updates of new videos from Swati Life and Style.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be comparing Pantene oil replacement and Garnier Ultra Blends oil-in cream. But before that, let me quickly tell you something about these oil replacement creams. Basically, it's a hair oil in the form of a lightweight cream. It's quite simple to use, non-messy, and works like regular hair oil. And you don't need to shampoo every time you use these oil-in creams. That's the best part. So coming to the recently launched oil replacement cream by Pantene, it claims to nourish our hair, reduce hair fall and repair damage. It retails for Rs 85 for 80 ml of product, and it comes in a bigger tube as well. It has a very fruity but mild smell. I quite like it. Pantene recommends to use it before combing, blow drying, sun and salt water exposure. I like to use it on damp hair like a hair serum, but it can be used on dry hair as well. Its texture is pretty thick but not heavy at all, and it spreads quite easily. It makes my hair very soft, silky and smooth, and it doesn't feel sticky at all. I have used it pre-wash as well, but didn't see any noticeable difference. So I have stopped using it in that way, and I am quite happy about the result it gives me while applied on damp hair. But it's not mentioned anywhere that which oils this oil replacement cream contains. Instead, it contains lots of chemicals and parabens. On the other hand, Garnier Ultra Blends oil-in cream claims that it's paraben-free and it contains 5 precious herbs: green tea, lemon, henna, aloe, eucalyptus. It revitalizes and nourishes hair with no stickiness, and you can use it exactly like a regular hair oil. Pre-wash, post-wash, or you can leave it overnight. This product retails for Rs 70 for 100 gram of product. So I have used this cream pre-wash, post-wash and overnight. It works equally well in each way. Although I like to use these creams in place of a serum on damp hair, the texture of this cream is very light and slightly runny, and it has herbal but pleasant smell, and I feel it spreads more easily on my straight hair than the Pantene one, and it gets absorbed very quickly with zero stickiness. But it's not a chemical-free all-natural product at all. It also contains a lot of chemicals. So to sum up everything, what I feel about both these products is that if you don't have severely damaged, dry, rough or curly hair, then you can go for the Garnier one, because it doesn't contain parabens at least and works perfectly well. Otherwise, the Pantene one also works nicely as a serum. But actually I don't think both these products can give you equal nourishment like a hair oil. These are good hair serums only with a little extra benefit. So that was pretty much everything I wanted to talk about. I hope you liked it, and if you do so, then please hit that like button and share this video with your friends. And please subscribe to my channel, it would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Till then, bye.